Forex tips: make more profitable trades now. Affiliate marketing can be one of the best ways to earn money online, but it won't make you a profit if you don't do it right. In this video, you'll find some of the best affiliate marketing methods available, as well as some new tips to try. Read on if you want to get all you can out of affiliate marketing. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a website with significant numbers of visitors every day. Offering coupons can be an effective tool to attract more and more customers. It is even better if you can offer a variety of coupons redeemable on your merchant's site, as this practice can increase your income significantly without any major investment. Convincing visitors to do surveys on your affiliate site is not easy. Be upfront about the topic and the time they need to spend to complete the survey. As an incentive, you may offer coupons to websites related to the topic of the survey, and you can also display links and get paid for the purchases your survey takers make. Make a content site with affiliate links, not an affiliate site with some content added as an afterthought. Web surfers are a smart bunch. They can generally tell when a site exists only to pitch a product or service. Choose a topic you are passionate about and write videos about it, then research affiliate products that dovetail naturally with the subject. When researching companies for an affiliation, make sure they provide usable marketing graphics and banners for your site. If all they provide is a link, you will have to work harder to promote their product. A very good idea in marketing is to use the word limited when you are advertising a product. People like to buy things that they think are very valuable and unattainable to the average person. So, saying that something is in limited supply makes it more appealing to them. Join a 2-tier affiliate program that can provide you with a steady income source that doesn't require a lot of effort. In 2-tier plans, you make a small commission on every product that the affiliate underneath you makes, which will generally net you a steady income stream. A great affiliate marketing tip is to choose timeless products. You want to choose a product to sell that's not only relevant right now, but will also be relevant in the future. If you're selling a guide for a software program like Photoshop, it won't be relevant in the future because it's likely there will be a new version coming out. Combine your affiliate sales with other revenue streams. While there is the chance that AdSense, for example, can take some focus away from your affiliate links, you could actually reap benefits if you have targeted your affiliate products well and they work hand in hand with AdSense ads. Different readers will respond to different messages, so offer some variety to address their differing needs. If you're unsatisfied with the results that affiliate marketing is giving you, then something needs to change. This video has given you all sorts of great suggestions on how you can maximize your affiliate marketing earnings. Try putting them into practice. You'll be amazed at how much your earnings will increase. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.